we'll call take square root. B we'll call complete, whoa. The square. C we'll call factoring. And D we'll call quadratic formula. So the reason we said this one was not A was because it has a middle term. The reason we said this one was not B, not complete the square, because 1 isn't divisible by 2. Okay, so now I know it's either factoring or quadratic formula. How do I decide between the two again? You got it. You got to find the discriminant. So A is 2, B is 1, and C is -6. You guys got your discriminant formula memorized yet? Yeah? Very good. B squared minus 4AC. So take a second and find your discriminant. I'll write it on the board today, but remember, you got to get it memorized. Anybody get their discriminant? What is it?
49.
49. So, the fact that it's 49, does that tell me whether or not to do factoring or quad formula, guys? Factor or why? Good. So yes, we're going to factor because 49 is a perfect square. So notice today's similar to last time's lesson, but what we're doing is we're going to go through each problem without me telling you which one to do and kind of go through the thinking process again, okay? So then if I know I need to factor, I'm going to find two numbers that add to 1 but multiply to first times last. So -12. So let me know when you've got your factors. Yeah, what'd you get, Landon?
4 -3.
Very good. You are correct. I was incorrect. In my head, I was thinking it should be the -4, but definitely because the 1 is positive, you're right. 4 and -3. Okay, so then we fill in our pieces. So here's our factored form. Keyword here is this, though, solve. Get x alone. So now we're going to take each parenthesis and make it equal 0 one at a time. So x equals 2 and 3/2. I'm going a little faster today than normal, but it's because we've been doing this process, the solving process for every day for the last 2 or 3 units, right? And so I feel like I can go a little faster today. So you have lots of homework time. What do you guys think about that? Good? Yeah? Okay. Okay, so I'm going to go through my list again. First of all, let's stop here. Any questions on number 1? Make sense? Remember, our new stuff for this unit is the deciding which method. We learned all the methods so that we could always pick the easiest one, right? Okay, so let's go for A. Should I use A? Should I take square roots? Yep. It's already in vertex form, right? So we don't even need to check any of the other methods because it's A, because it's already in vertex form. Don't forget to go back and look at your 11.3 table to help too. Oh, I think I have it right here. Already in vertex form, right? So we take square roots. Oh man, that was not as smooth as I was hoping. Okay, already in vertex form. Okay. So then what, if I don't have to change anything, I can just take square roots. Am I ready to take a square root right from the beginning? So just square root both sides. Come on, guys, I know you're good at this. Remember, take square roots is our backwards PEMDAS thing. Yeah, Jaden? Heck yeah, good job. Add 64 to both sides first. To get this part that needs to be square rooted all by itself. Remember, we're doing backwards PEMDAS. So addition, subtraction is first. Parentheses are last. Square root 64? What's the square root 64?
8.
So close. 9.5 out of 10. Just 8? There it is. Summers, man, it's always that negative. He's like, I'm pretty sure it's 8. Add my 4. Are those like terms? Yeah, so I can combine them. All right, so far so good. What do you guys got?